Yo. String cheese. Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. Alright. I'm hard to hear. Still. Am I quiet, guys? Alright. So, we're continuing June 2025 back test. So let's go. How's everybody's day going? I got Sunday leg day. And that's literally it. I'll do a weekly outlook as well. Alright. Bias 4 hour. So definitely leaning bullish here. We have an SMT at this low. ES swept it. Reacted bullishly off this rejection block. So I'm putting in a 4 hour order block. So I'd be bullish to this high. And then maybe I look for a short after that high is taken. If we have good liquidity below. Back day. Lucky. We have a short here. This is a bad short though. For longs, I'd want to see a pullback probably to like here. Or maybe when this hourly gets put in, 16. Before the high gets hit, preferably. Okay, I think the hourly just got put in. Yeah. A long from this hourly would be good. Best case scenario. Damn. Everything was invalid. So perfectly like played out, but no setup. We tapped that hourly like I said I wanted to. Engineer liquidity. Just no good setup. Maybe like a 15-second. Now everything was invalid. Unfortunate. Okay. Could get a short here. I mean, I guess we have some trend line liquidity below. This is kind of like B tier though, not really anything crazy. My pullback PD array key points are all-time highs or liquidity void, rejection block for value gap breaker, pair with discount. Yeah, that's good. I don't really like use rejection blocks. I just like see them if they're there, they're there. Alright. Oh, I think we have a short here. No, we don't. Okay, never mind. We have a long. I don't really like this long though. It's not really a good long. How do you differentiate between rejection blocks and regular buy side / sell side? Well, rejection block is usually taking out buy side or sell side, or tapping into like a PD array and then rejecting out of that, and so it's like a long wick. Buy side, sell side takes out the high. Rejection blocks don't take out the high. You know what I mean? I think I'm gonna stick to bullish. We're about to get this 4 hour inversion. So dream scenario now would be like a pullback to here or something. Day's probably cooked though. Yeah, it's over. Like buy side, if this is like buy side, like for example, if this is buy side, rejection block won't, like, we won't take out the high. We'll just like tap 50% of the wick, then reject. You know what I mean? I think price action should clear up because we just had FOMC. We have this huge new day opening gap. Yeah. Kind of in a weird spot. I guess bullish. Oh, we had news. Okay. So that makes it easier. Play the data wicks. So we swept out the data low. No good setups. Okay, I like that. But there's no fair value yet. I mean, it's like a 1 minute. No, this is just not clean. This is literally a 0.5 gap. You could take this, but like this just, it's not really clean. Okay, there's market open. So we just ran both sides of the liquidity with no entry. Interesting. No short entry either. I probably just want to resweep this low. Then a setup. We have a long. Actually, we don't have a long. There's like nothing, to be honest. This one probably works. We have delivery. It's just like hasn't even triggered yet. Well, the 2 minute has. It's just high up, man. It's not really light bulb to me. Would have lost actually. So yeah. Another one here, but now we don't have delivery. So I don't like it. Okay, that one works. I'm going next. We're just in a weird spot there. Okay, I like this reaction, so I'm sticking bullish. 50-minute inversion. I just look for longs. Discount of this, so a receive of this low. Yeah, they're a really good draw. Okay, resweep that low. This is where I'd be looking for a long. Would you guys take this 30-second? It's kind of like, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Half size trade. I think we had discount. Did we miss discount? We actually missed discount. I mean, it's not bad. I don't know why, I just don't like it. Well, I know why. The close is weird. Is there a 15-second? Maybe if this 15-second closes above. Damn. Okay, well, I would have been a break even. It's fine. I want a better sweep, I think. This looks better to me. There's a 2 minute here. Okay, I think I'm gonna take this one. Yeah. We're in a macro time. This 1 minute is pretty big, so maybe I'm gonna take this half risk and add in if the one breaks. Like I'll enter this half, and then if the 1 minute breaks, I'll enter full size. One-minute sketch. Yeah. No, I see it. That's all. I'll enter half risk, and then I'll add in if the 1 breaks. I could just get caught up in engineering liquidity here. Or this is the move. I just want to see, like, where else did the move come from? Oh, I guess from here. I mean, it's a little risky. It's fine. I'll be fine losing this. Okay. Yeah. Wow, it would have stopped me out to a tick and then ran. That's fine. That's why I took a half risk. Yeah, we're just engineering here, and then we run it here, which kind of makes some sense. All right, here's open. I think I want that hourly low, then a long. Yeah, but like if that worked, like I'd feel bad missing that because it's like obvious. If that makes sense. Like, five. There's like nothing. I need like a confirmation set up here, or we just V shape, no entry. I mean, you could take this 1 minute, but just long it in a hard time from gaps. Yeah. Gio, why are you sending that? I mean, I can take. Nah, there's no point to take this 5 minute. V shape out. I want like, see like right here. Oh, guys, this works by the way. I just like light bulb in my brain because I remember missing this setup because it was pre-FOMC and I had a rule where I was like, don't trade pre-FOMC. This works so well though. Dodgy, I remember Dodgy took this. That just like memory blasted in my brain. But yeah, this is a fire setup. We left buy side intact. I don't think there's like an SMT. Yeah. I don't know, actually there is an SMT, but it's fine. I would still take this. So yeah, I'd probably be all out here. Actually, that's my original target. Yeah, no, that's fine. All right, break even there. And then let me just see the next candle. Okay, that would have been my target. So it would have been a win from there. Yeah, there. All right. Damn, I should left runner. No, it's all good. That is such a good setup, though. The fact this setup would have been bad if we took out this buy side. I think, yeah. Like if we took this out and then got it, it would have been a lot worse. The fact that we left relative equal highs makes that so like that is so clean. And I remember missing this because I was like, nah, it's pre-FOMC, I won't trade. And then we just had the cleanest price action ever. Yeah, but this is fire. I'm looking for probably longs. We're in this 8-hour gap still, so like if we reshoot out this low and get a long, I don't mind it. Or you get like bullish structure and then a long. So we get a reshoot with a low. If we get like a V shape here, maybe not. This is not enough displacement to me. Okay, that's a really good wick. It's invalid though, but that's like a thanks for liquidity wick. So maybe we pump off that. Yeah, so here's an example of a rejection block. You see how this wick is like a stop at wick. Anyone who had their stop losses here gets wrecked. So this wick's gonna have orders because wicks are just lower time frame for value gaps. So yeah, you can see how that gets acted as a rejection block. It doesn't have to hit 50% every time though. That's not like a requirement. I mean, for an entry maybe. So breaker tap, yeah. So honestly, I think I might be leaning bearish because we did not displace through that. So here's open. I think we're probably gonna get this 4-hour inversion, and I'd be bearish to just like higher time from LRLR. Or actually, we're in actually we're not. Never mind. I thought we were in another gap. I doubt we get an entry though. It's probably just a dump sesh. So there's 10 EMs. That's the 4-hour close. So any longs here basically suck unless you have an SMT. Yeah, we don't. Okay. So scenario wise, maybe a tap 50% of this 15-minute range and a short. So like test this 50-minute unfilled for value gap, then a short from that. Wow, really strong reaction, no setup though. Maybe we get a resweep. I doubt it though. Short here. 3-minute held. Would you guys take this? What do you guys think? It's pretty low. It is pretty low. I mean, we're entering LRLR here. I mean, yeah. I don't hate it. There's no liquidity sweep. But like we already tapped this. But I feel like this setup would be better if we came back up and did this. Like that would make it A+. So I feel like this is not like a copy trade, but it could work. Yeah, it would have been a break even. I'd rather us go up and resweep the high because we didn't get like any major liquidity sweep. So like now we swept out the high. So now it'd be a better setup. This 30 seconds, not really. Longing into a trend line? You mean shorting? You can shorten the trend lines. It just has to make like it has to make sense where like you won't get caught in engineering. So like I need a liquidity sweep first. I like this 5-minute short. Damn. Okay, well there's the entry. I'll take this. Maybe there's like a better entry low key. Not really. Yeah, I'll take this 5-minute. Break even's kind of far. I think I'd go break even at like this low because this is a 1-minute internal low inside of fair value gap. So technically price would go neutral there. Just make sure I'm including my inception gaps. Probably have stop just here. Target a 1-to-1 to this low. And then leave a runner to the external liquidity. Oh. Hold on. I'm in 2 positions. Not do it. Okay. Damn. That failed. Did the 5 close? Yeah, the 5 did close. That's the 3 and 4 didn't close. Okay. I didn't even see that. I'll take that loss, but in live time, I probably would have waited for at least the 4 as well to close. Because, I mean, the 5 is like, it's not the most obvious gap. The most obvious gap here is the 4 and the 3. The fact that those didn't close is definitely a red flag. I think the setup's good. It just kind of wasn't valid. I mean, it was valid on the 5, but the 4-minute held, I didn't even see that. Which is fine. Live time, like, you're obviously checking time frames more consistently. Everything's slower pace. No, because we reset the high, got a V-shape down. I think. Wait, did I already? No, I didn't take this. I can take one more. I'll take this 4-minute SMR. Damn. It's gonna be invalid. I mean, I'll take it. It's not invalid. I'll just target this low. Unless there's something like up here. Oh, there was a 1 minute. Actually, or 2 minute. Actually, nothing was valid. I mean, we should hit this low. Or we soup out that 1 minute low. Okay, would have been a break even. That is. So would have gone break even at that low. And this break even trade. I'd probably just be out of the day then. Next session. Okay. 4 hours bullish here. Why did we react bullish? Did something hold? I think just higher time from trend line held. Yeah, probably. So far as bullish again, so I'm just gonna be bullish here. Back up to the highs. Dream scenario, come down, sweep out this. Probably won't happen though, so I wouldn't mind like just like discount of this range. Then a long. I can make a buy model, yeah. Or we just pump. If we're just gonna grind up, then the day's just over. Alrighty. So no setups. I mean, we're just literally gunning to buy side. Okay, we did leave relative equal highs, which is good. We're in an hourly, so I mean we could get along here. Nothing's like pointing out to me though. Okay, like that. Let me just make sure ES. Okay, ES didn't even sleep it. I like this 5 minute long, yeah. Okay, we don't get it there. Could be going for this low. Then maybe better long. So there's that low. So this is where I'd be looking for like more textbook long. Okay, this 1 minute would be A+. 1 minute SMR too. Oh, we don't get it there. Okay. I wait for this 1 minute to break. Alright, I'm in that. Actually, you know what I should have done? I should have entered half there. But it's fine. I'll take this. Go break even at this high. Okay, there's break even. My break even's below an order block, so like it should be fine. We're in this 5 minute. I think I should have entered here half size, but I missed it. It's fine. This would be my target. Alright, there's TP1, so I would have scaled there. I'm waiting for it to actually hit the 1R. Okay, there we go. So there's TP1, and then I want this internal high. This is an intermediate term high, so we should go smack that for rejecting. So yeah, that we go smack it. Cool. Really clean setup there. So the singular gap here is the 2 minute, so you could just enter like here and you enter at half size and then you add in when the 1 minute breaks and then you get like a fill that's like 50%, so the average, which is like here. I probably should have done that. I missed it. It's fine though. Yeah, really nice setup there. At the 15 minute, I mean, it doesn't get more clean than that. And we had an unfilled 15 minute above too, which was here. I think we had maybe even unfilled hourly. Oh wait, no, we're putting that in right now. But yeah, unfilled 5 minute, which is like the clean, really good draw on liquidity. In this case, because if we're gonna continue bearishly, we should get rebalanced that, which could be the case. But yeah. All right, so made back my loss from the past day. So again, just risk management. All right. So we swept out this low, got a bullish reaction. Definitely leaning bullish here. Pretty simple. Swept out this low inside that 50 minute for value gap. So we're getting a bullish reaction off that. I'd just be looking for a confirmation setup. Dream scenario would be come down, sweep out this low, then get along. I actually wouldn't mind one from here though. Let's get Robe. Like from here would be decent. Or we just leave out the lows. Probably gonna maybe, I mean, if we just gun up, we gun up. Alright, there's market open. Okay, we take out the sell set. Alright, we run even lower. Okay, we flip out a low instead of an hourly for value gap here. If we do get a long here, I will take it. Oh wow. Damn. Okay, 3 minute here, 4 minute here. I guess. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I mean, I guess like the thing is like, is this even worth taking? You're taking a 4 minute and then your break even is technically like there. It's, to me, it's not. I'd rather just wait for a confirmation setup for better RR. Like, it doesn't even make sense to take this. Because, like, if you take that 4, you go break even at the next gap, you get break even every time. Like, it's not even worth. The RR just doesn't make sense. if you take the mechanical break even. Yeah, even 3 was the break even. You bottom tick this. You were bottom ticking in June 23rd. When did you start bottom ticking? I'd want a 50% pullback now. Actually, not that. Like, that doesn't make any sense. Damn. Gio. Nice suit, bro. I mean, it's just the most obvious soup I've ever seen in my life. Yeah, that's it. I mean, this is a soup, bro. Just be a soup trader. Just take lows inside of fair value gaps. 10-point stop every time, easy. Like, I'm saying. Anyways, I want to see price return to the first presented fair value gap, which is this 50 minute, and then I get a long out of that. Let me actually mark it out. No, he learns from like some market maker dude. Okay, there's that 50-minute gap getting tapped. I mean, a long here would definitely not be bad. We have a 30-second. I mean, it's not bad. Let me play like a lower time frame. Really choppy. Okay, I'm not gonna enter that. Alright, would have been a break even. I want a resweep. There's a resweep. I want a little lower, I feel like a better resweep maybe. Okay, like that. And then if we have like a, yeah, it's like this 30 seconds clean as hell. This is giving me like the light bulb. Okay, we don't get it, which is fine. Okay, we're kind of like selling off here. Wow. Okay. We go, oh, this is another good spot for long. So swap that internal low in a 50-minute for value gap. So if we get a long here, okay, this 30-second, I would take this. 30-second long V shape off a 50-minute low. Does it look like I'm buying in a market maker sell model? Let's see. Not really. This looks like a market maker buy model. This is rebalance, then send price higher. I definitely don't mind this. Stop would be below the low because it's a wiki, like it's a pretty wiki candle, so it could be active as a rejection block. And then you just target 1-to-1. All right, so there's my break even. We just tap that unfilled, probably like 3-minute or 2-minute, probably. Yeah. So we're in a 2-minute gap. So there's your mechanical break even. Now I just want to see his pump up here. All right, break even trade. So it would have been a break even, and then ran TP. Unfortunate, but sometimes that happens. It's 12:30. I go next session. No, you can take that because you're not long in a high time frame gaps. Like that 30-second, I guess it's more risky. But like if we're gonna be sweeping that, like, you can take that. You can just take it half risk. All I know, I don't have stats on that PG, but I know what, like, the reason I get like 75+% win rate is because I have a break even method. I mean, like, with the break even method, my win rate's that high. So like, I don't know. Just like it works. 4 for value gap. Probably look for longs. Yeah, it definitely hurts sometimes. I don't want to see this like 50-minute get tapped and then a long. Probably. Okay, we have news there. So we have the data low. I'm actually going to be looking for a short. Probably. Oh, do I want to short all-time highs? Let me think. We're at all-time highs. We have a data low, but it is a data low that swept out another low inside of for value gap. I'd wait for this 30-second to break, maybe, and take it half, like just because we're at all-time highs. Okay, so that would have failed. Yeah, good thing I didn't take that. Just because of that, like, I don't know, I just don't feel it. I don't mind this, but like at half size, because we manipulate above, high, low, higher, high, lower, low, breaker. We break this gap. I'll try this half size and go for higher R. Like, just like this. Yeah. I don't mind that. Break even to be here. Let me just gauge the reaction. Probably should go break even. It's probably gonna be a break even trade. Yeah. Actually, just 1 minute could hold. I'm just gonna. Oh, okay. Yeah. So, last time that candle's moving like that, I would just like would have stopped that probably for like -20 or something. So break even. Yeah, this is what I thought was gonna happen. We're just gonna go retrace into that. We just outfitted that one. I could re-enter here off this 15-second, and it probably works. Okay, good thing I didn't do that though. Well, I don't take 15 seconds anyways, so it doesn't matter. Probably just wait for something cleaner. Okay, here is 9:15 candle for some reason. That's that volatile. Okay. Oh, I thought we had a 30-second there. So there's market open. I'm probably just gonna dump here. I think we just like run lower real quick. If we resweeping at a short, that wouldn't be bad. We have a 30-second here. If we like death candle this, I'll try it half size. Okay. We leave the data low. Interesting. Alright, I'll try this. 1 minute SMR. If we get it. Alright. So I'm gonna get in there. Broke a significant gap. We have a breaker. Try this half size. Again, just go for like high RR. We did leave relatively close too. I mean, this should work. Break even technically this next low. Let's see. Wow. I don't know if I want to like go break even here. I mean, I probably should. I mean, it would have been a break even a lot of time then. It is a low inside of a gap. Yeah, like that's just a break even trade. I'll just stick to the model. Alright, so I just would go there. So I think we still dump here though. Okay. Really, really bad price action. Not gonna lie, this is just not high probability conditions. So everything's gonna be de-risked. I'm not taking anything heavy, even if it's a long. We have a 3 minute here. Another decent setup. Okay, we don't get it. Resweep at the high. We're leaving so much liquidity below. Like I'm just like I want a short. We have a 3 minute here. I would wait for this. This one's pretty obvious though, so I'd want to see this break. Okay. Well, if they took a 3, it would have been break even. Another resweep with a high. Now we actually took full buy side. Like, I mean, we're just leaving a bunch of liquidity below. So, I mean, that's just what price wants to do. So, yeah. Like, this is all-time highest price section, so we could just keep gunning up. So now we took full buy side, but I just don't. I don't know. I'd wait. If I were to stay on here, I'd just wait for bullish or bear structure, then I'd look for a confirmation setup. I wouldn't be looking to, like, catch the high. Yeah, I think we just literally pump from that. Alright, I'll be looking for longs. Yeah, we literally just leave all sell side, see? Like, we just leave good sell side targets. That's just all-time highs. Dream scenario, tap this 4 hour. Then a long. But yeah. Probably won't get that though. This is like real all-time highs PA, so now we're just gonna start like no shorting, basically. I'll probably just look for like tapping this 15 minute, get along. Okay, market open. We just pump. Wow. Okay, could get along maybe. Oh, do we have an SMT? We do have an SMT. There's no like clean long here though. I mean, there's a 3 minute. Does anybody remember Dodgy taking this? I remember Dodgy taking this, and then Reliable saying like, "Oh, there's a 30 seconds, so you should go break even," and then he went break even, and then we dump here. So we dump right now. Yeah, I remember this. I want to see a re-sweep of the low. So now we got a sweep of the low. This is where I'd be looking for a long, probably. I do like this 30-second. If we get it. I will take this. No. No. That's something different. So we tap into this 15-minute. We get a 30-second long here with an order block. I don't see a reason to not take this. Damn. See, like, I don't know. Live time, I probably scale there. If we're tapping into like a something, we are tapping into a 2 there. So my take profit there isn't anywhere like it doesn't really make sense for a 1-to-1. So live time, I probably would have just scaled there because it's just in the 2-minute. So yeah. Try like 5-second. Oh my god, why did I do that? Okay. Lock in, bro. Go here. Get me in this. Bang. Market order, please. Okay. Still won't let me scale there. That's crazy. Alright, whatever. I want to let me scale. Your first target's technically this high, so this gap. Bro, I gotta go to the 1 second. Alright, whatever. I'll just take this. So, cool. Nightmare. Alright, so that would have been a scale break even. Scale liquidity, not just like the 1-to-1 doesn't make sense. So, you just scale if it makes sense. We are forming LRLR here. Like, I don't mind. I mean, the shorts, like, I do like this. I'm gonna try this half size. Because we're about to enter a macro time. We just entered lows. Why would we pump off this? I'm gonna try this half size and then just go for higher R. So I'll just go for like here. But yeah, would you guys take this short? These lows to me are engineering. You just like accumulate here to then manipulate, and then the macro time should distribute. Okay, yeah. This LRLR is not like super textbook. Like if you draw like that, I just think these low. I just think we accumulate here and then manipulate, and there's that. So I would just scale 75 there. Stops would be at break. All right, and bang. Nice. So that one worked pretty well. But stack, yeah, stack those are good targets. Okay, I'll go next. We're back bullish, obviously. Stack entry liquidity is like trending highs, trending lows, and then stacked highs, stack lows. We're just like gunning it, man. Probably just take out this low. Like soup out that low, or maybe this low or something. We're in a like it's just all time highs. Okay. I feel like we're still too high. I mean, we're always gonna be too high, but oh wow, we just get a long here. Like, do I even want to take this? You're longing into a 3. Yeah, no, you're longing into multiple gaps. So 1 minute would have been a break even. I want something lower. Preferably, oh, we have an unfilled 4. Yeah, I want this. I want that unfilled 4 hour to get mitigated. Here's market open. Okay, we manipulate down there. This 1 minute long is pretty good. Okay, not anymore. Now it's just horrible. Maybe just a 30-second here. Nothing really clean. Okay, wow. What the hell? We just like V-shape straight into Narnia. No setup. There's a 1 minute little confirmation setup, but this setup's bad because you're targeting a high that swept out another high. Still works though because it's just all-time highs. I mean, it would have been break even, but we have a short here, but this is not great either. Would have been a break even. This is just bad PA. We pumped overnight. That's the issue. You're just gonna get choppy price action. Wow. I mean, this is giving me PTSD, man. Like, what even like inspires a market to do this? We're just gunning it, man. Gio probably bottom ticked it. Probably. I want to soup at these lows and then along. Okay. So we soup out the lows there. We're probably in like a 4 hour or an hourly maybe. Yeah, hourly tap. So I'd be looking for a long now. Okay, this 1 minute's not bad. This 1 minute's not bad. Invalid. Okay. I don't mind this. This 1 minute. Hold on. Where's the S? We have an SMT. I don't mind this setup. So 1 minute long here. It's like you have the SMR. Yeah, I like this. So you're still coming off of a soup, like this soup. And we didn't close below the low, so it counts as a soup, and we have good displacement. So yeah, you can take this. So SMR here, breakers here, CSDs here. I mean, I'm gonna take this half size though, and the reason is I just think like this is so wicky that there could be a lot of selling here, and then I'll add in if we break this. I think. Okay, break even trade, yeah. That's what I just thought it would be. So I'm just gonna go back and as if I didn't even take it. So yeah, break even trade. That's fine. What's holding price down is this gap. Okay, you could take this, but this is more of like an eval trade. I think now maybe we go up because now we broke that gap. Yeah, see, significant gap. Oh, did I miss this 30-second? No, this would have been break even. Nothing's really valid. Even this one would have been break even. Valid. I mean, these are just hard markets to trade because you're just like, it's just all-time highs, man. Definitely not easy. Like, people starting to trade like now, it must be like, I don't even know how you do it. Starting from scratch, and then trade these markets. Like, you're just gonna get destroyed. Okay. We have a long here. This probably works. I'm not gonna take it though, just because it's just so high. I do like this 1 minute. This one's not as bad. Bro, it's invalid. Oh my god. Probably like a 5. There's a 5 minute here. The 5 minute's not bad, but wow. Okay, I might try this one. Actually, the only issue with this one is you're going for a high that slipped out another high instead of a gap, and we didn't take out major sell side. It is all-time high, so this probably works, but it's not light bulb to me. Yeah, it would have been a break even. Okay. Wow, it would have literally bottom ticked you break even. Yeah, I'm just gonna go next. I'm gonna look for one more win, then I'll call it. I don't really know what I want here. I mean, this would be great. I don't know if we get that though. That'd be like the dream scenario. Just dump down to that low. Okay, we missed the low. Unless there's an SMT. Which there is an SMT actually, so I actually would have looked for a long here. And I would have taken this 30-second. Actually, no, it was invalid, never mind. Yeah, enough setup. There is a like 5 minute here. And it's invalid, okay. Break even, trade anyways, if you entered early. Alright, take out the low. So I'd be looking for a super action. Okay, we're kind of dumping here. So I'd be looking for this now. Probably. Okay, we take out that low. So this is the next spot for a long. We have a 30-second here. I think this is literally like a 2-point gap though. Yeah, not big enough for me. Okay, maybe this I take. If you got a big candle over it. Okay, it's invalid, damn. Okay. Maybe we got a resweep. We actually have an SMT here, so this 1 minute long. See, this is not bad. So we have an SMT, 1 minute long with the order block. Yeah. I don't mind this. Would you guys take this? Screw break even? I don't know. I don't know. I'll try this one. Some T's at the low. I'll be delivering from my gap. Technically it's 1 minute held. I think. And I actually broke. Well, we have an SMT, so technically no. So it's not A plus. Maybe I take it half size. Yeah, probably. Cause, okay, can I get out the trade? Alrighty. So I'll take it half size. I'm not gonna take it full size just because it's not an A plus setup, and if it's not A plus, I won't take it full size. Break even here, and I'll just target this high. Alright, break even there, and just target the high. Alright, would have been a break even trade. Yeah, whatever. So break even there saves me, you see? So like, if you don't like break even, you don't like break even. If you do, you do. Okay, we're forming LRLR. So if we take out this high and get a short, I wouldn't mind that. Okay, never mind. We run it there. This just looks like accumulation on like the 5 minute. So this looks like accumulation, so I'm just gonna wait for one side to get swept. Preferably not the high. I do think this short, if there's a short here, it works. But I'm not gonna be shorting at all-time highs. Yeah, see, that's why. Another short here. This one looks way cleaner, but again, all-time highs. It actually would have stopped you. Actually, no, it would have been a win. Yeah. All right, next day. Oh, we actually finished it. Oh, damn. Okay, never mind. So that's it, I guess. Not bad. I didn't even know I went that quick. So here's the analytics. 80% win rate. No, I'm showing it. I could have taken that last trade. It did hit like 1R basically, but I mean, that's fine. So 80% win rate. Not bad. A lot of like break even days. Sim that out. How do I do that? Isn't it like down here or something? Bottom? I don't have it. I know what you're talking about. I remember doing it, but I don't see it. Weird. Average R 0.6. Interesting. Probably because I got scale break even trades. But win rate mix. Simulators. Here we go. Run scenarios. So what do I do? This? What the hell? What am I looking at? I've seen this before. What? So is this like? This is RR? Wait. What is this? Oh, PG, I'm lost. Nah, I've seen it before. Yeah, I don't know. No idea. It's fine. You don't. Does this matter? Like, why would this matter? Whatever, man. Alright, does anybody have any questions? Like, psychology questions? Or, like, something they struggle with that they need me to, like, go over? Or any trade they want me to go over, any losses? Oh, let me do my weekly outlook. That's what I was gonna do. This week, going into this week, I am... What do you guys think? Actually, update. What's my bias, guys? What do you guys think? Super bearish? Like super bearish? Maybe. You might be like right on the dot. As much as I want to be bearish, I have to be bullish. I want to be bearish so bad. Not gonna lie. Don't we still have that data low from that one day? Where is that? Where's that data low? I don't remember. Really easy dream scenario tomorrow though. Come down, see about this low. That looks textbook. This looks really clean for a setup tomorrow, I'm not gonna lie. So that gives me high hopes. I think what's telling order flow right now, guys, that's like really supporting price is this, technically this gap and like this gap, but I would use this gap because this gap has held price a lot, and it's also, you can see how this gap's paired with an order block. So if we get if we violate this, like with a candle, that means you're violating a fair value gap that held price multiple times and sent price to a higher high, as well as you're violating a high probability order block. So yeah, I think if you break this, I'd be bearish to at least this low. And then if we break this, I'd be bearish to like here. Again, we still have the, oh, here's the data low. Wait, no, it's not. Does anybody remember the date where the data low is? We never took that out. I need to have that marked. I should have that marked. It was like an 8:30 news, bro. What is it? I forgot. Also tomorrow, guys, be careful. Well, if we start getting like a sell model, Ian, I want to like be able to target that later. Tomorrow we have a lot of speakers, so I will not be trading lunch hour. It's a no news Monday with red folder news the next day, Powell speaking the next day, and we have red folder news. So tomorrow, and we also have speakers. Like we have 2 speakers in the AM, which is not a lot, but if price action starts to get bad, like yeah, basically like what I'm gonna start doing is like I'm not gonna half risk instantly, but if I like see market open and like we start getting price action like we did on Friday, I'm instantly de-risking. Like I'm not even gonna like stress it unless price action starts to clear up. You know what I mean? So yeah. And then Tuesday we have a red folder news event. So I think tomorrow is gonna set us up for the week. So I wouldn't be like forcing anything. But yeah, this week we have a lot of speakers. And speakers comes like, at least the last time I had speakers, the price action was like horrible. Like we would get setups and then they would just like chop and fail. Like you'd get like a V shape and then you'd chop and then it would fail. But yeah, so definitely be a little cautious tomorrow. Was it Tuesday? I think it was Tuesday. Oh, I don't have the data because I'm on NQZ. But yeah, pretty self-explanatory. Okay, I think it's. Wait, it's just not here. That must have been last week. Does anybody have any more questions? I just want to get out of all-time highs. Like that's like we've literally been at all-time highs for the past like 4 months now. Like it's actually crazy. Like June, July, and then like I don't even know, man. Like we had like a short pullback time during August or like July or something, and the price action then was so good. I remember it. Alright, whatever. I don't really care about the data. Whatever. Oh, here it is. I found it. Okay. So yeah. So how far is this? Oh, we're so wow. We went up that much? Jesus. That's actually crazy. The only way I target this low, I think, is if we break this 4-hour gap. This is supported price. As well as this one. Anyways, if nobody has any more questions, I'm gonna call it here. So yeah, classes next weekend, normal stuff. I'm gonna be streaming AM every morning. It's not for signaling, it's to learn. If I take losses and you copy me, that's your fault, okay? But like if it's like I'm gonna take what I want to take. If I lose, I lose. I don't, you know what I mean? I'm not here to signal you guys. But yeah, alright, I'll see y'all guys later. Have a good rest of y'all day.